M365 Excel has a button that can help you run an automated pivot table. So you just have to go to Insert, Recommended Pivot Tables. So it's going to automatically generate a pivot table for you. Wow. So in a real life scenario where your boss is on your neck or you're trying to do something fast and you need a summary of your pivot table easily, you can just easily do this. So I cannot choose any of the one I want and then put in my table, and it has already run my summary for me automatically. So but what if in the case you want to create your own pivot table? Then let's go and do that now. If you're looking at this sheet now, you notice that we have two tables here. This one that we generated from the pivot query, the power query rather, and also the one that we use our formula to do. These are two different tables. So I want to join them together. So I will first of all go to table design, go to resize table. I have my column here is from column A to column P. So this is the size, this is the length I want my table to be. I want to resize it to. So I'll go here and remove the L. It's at L now. Just have to go to L and refresh the resize table. I want to get rid of my L and put P. I have to be sure that it's P. Yeah. I want to get rid of my L and put P. So resize table, delete P. Okay. So I now have my new table, the resize table. Now you see everything has already joined together. So what test am I going to do here? Since I resize my table, I have to check for blank rows. I have to check for blank rows in each of these. So I'll go to the date filter button. Let me get my filter button. If you filter it, you're going to filter everything, and then yeah. So you see here, right here, I have blank rows. This is not supposed to be so. So I have to clean it up. I will select all and select blanks. Okay. So you see, these are blank rows here. These are blank rows there. So I'll just have to Control Shift down arrow key. You know my row. Control Shift down arrow key, and then I will delete. I'll also check same for subject. Don't have any blank row. Click to select all. Okay. For subject, any blank row in subject. Okay. We are good to go now. We don't have blank rows in each of our columns. Okay. No blank rows. So now make sure that our formulas and everything has autofilled as we always wanted it to be. So I will autofill this one. And also run the autofill for free and paid. Double click. play for this, run the autofill, and run the autofill for this. So as you can see here, we don't have any blank rows. Let's check it out. Let's filter this and check for blanks. Oh, we have some blanks here, so it means it has not auto-filled quite well. Okay, we also have some blanks here. So let's check it. Okay, you see it did not actually autofill well. What was the problem? Here we'll have some blank dates here. So we have to filter our date and remove the blanks. Publish dates, we have some blanks. So we'll remove it. Control Shift down arrow key. Delete row. So we are good to go now. I think it's going to do quite alright now. Okay, let's run our autofills. Just to make sure. Alright, now we'll have our autofills and every other thing sorted out. So let's go to insert and create a pivot table. So insert pivot table from table range. We want it from all Udemy data course. So do you want it in an existing worksheet or the new worksheet? You want it in a new worksheet. So this is our pivot table pane. So you can see it's quite intimidating at first, but it's quite easy. We have some filters here. We have columns, we have rows, we have value. So depending on your creativity, depending on what you want, depending on the question that you want to answer, you put in your columns there. So now I want to get the revenue of each subject. So I drag my revenue to my rows, and then I get my revenue to my values. So this is the revenue that we'll get from each subject. So I also want to have to just copy this, see, paste it here. So what else do I want to find here? I also want to find the number of subscribers. Which subject has the highest number of subscribers? I just have to put this here, drag my number of subscribers to my values. Yeah. What else do I need to find here? I also need to find on the average uh average yeah, the average revenue that we got from each of these. So just right now it's still in sum of revenue, so you can just come here and change it, whether you want it to be average, you want it to be uh do you want it to be max, you want it to be count, you want to count it. So I want average. I just click on average and okay, this is my average revenue that I get in dollars. So now let's create a pivot chart with this now. So I just have to highlight it all, highlight, go to pivot table, analyze, pivot chart. So these are varieties of the chart that I can choose from. I want this one to be in a column chart. I like it the way it is here. I just want it to be in a column chart. I like it the way it is now. So that I can just pick it up. Okay. So this is the chart for the first one. Then for the number of subscribers, I would like it to be in a pie chart. Pivot table, analyzed, pivot chart. I want it to be in a pie chart. I choose pie. Okay. So by me looking at this chart, you can see that according to the legend we have, web development has the highest number of subscribers. But we can also filter, you can also make some formattings to this uh, chart that we'll have here. We can add the data label. It's not there, so let me add the data label. How do I want it? Do I want it inside or outside? I want it to be outside, and I want it to be, you can choose from different options that you want. So you can put it outside, you can put it inside, and anyone that you want. So these are just basic formattings you could do for your chart. Then what else do I need here? My average revenue, the average revenue I got. Go to pivot table, analyze, pivot chart. So how do I want this one to be? Okay, let it be in a bar. Just put it here. Yeah, just put it here and on my data level, so I could know the average price. Okay, so just you can explore this. There are some formattings you can do. You can format the colors, you can format the axes, the error bars, the grid lines. You can remove the grid lines. So many things that you could do, so just to suit your needs. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this chart and then put in a new sheet so that we can see everything at a glance. Ctrl C, open new sheet, and Ctrl V. Also do the same for others. Control C, open up initiative. Control V. Control C and Control V. So I could rearrange this and so that we could always see everything at a glance. So I'm going to highlight the whole table here and then remove the grid line. Remove the grid line so that we'll have it in form of a dashboard here. So this is just a mini dashboard I'm just building here of our Udemy course. So any other chart, any other element that you wish to add, you can also add it and then you can do the same. So I want to insert the title for this, so I'm just going to go to text box. I want the title from here to here. So Udemy yes. Increase the font size to, yeah, this is okay. Change the text color to blue. And this is it. This is how to use your pivot chart, your pivot table to do your quick analysis. So if there are other insights that you wish to find from this pivot chart, you can also do that. So this is just a quick analysis of it. If you want to find the number of subscribers by subject and by year, you can also do that from your pivot chart. You can as well do that.